If I grew to be 30 years old and didn't make ackee before, and I survived it, I got a college degree, I got a job. So we have one more thing to find, and if I cannot find this whole plan is corrupted. I got a husband. This is so big though. What am I gonna do with all of this? I think I'll be fine. The ackee, we found it. I refuse to buy plantains because I'm just gonna be eating them only, like just plantains. It smells good already. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to be making a Jamaican breakfast for the very first time. Previously, I did not like ackee, but as I got older, I grew to like the taste of ackee. So I am going to the supermarket to go buy some canned ackee and some saltfish because I don't know what it is, but I've been craving Jamaican food so bad lately that last night I made curried beef with a classic Jamaican cabbage salad and some rice and peas. I didn't even record anything because I didn't even plan to record anything, but the rest of it is in the fridge. Came out so good, so good. The only thing I didn't like is the fact that I used canned peas, and you know, if you use canned peas, they're already soft, so that was definitely like an issue. But today, Jamaican breakfast. All right, quick update. So since we went to Europe, we did so many things. The Europe video was recorded during the summer, at the end of the summer. So we went to Spain and we went to France. We did not record anything while we were in France. We were just mainly focused on like having a good time there, and we absolutely did. We did so much. We went to the Louvre, we went to the catacombs, we went to the south of France. Oh my God, we fell in love, and yeah, that was the end of that story. Then we came back to the US, and another update, since I posted the video requesting help for the people in Wilson's Run in Trelawny, one very special individual responded to that video. I actually reached out to him directly, so I was able to get in contact with Romain Virgo, who was able to, with his team and his wife, go all the way to Trelawny and all the way to Wilson's Run and help the people out. And I don't know, it felt so good. I literally cried.
I'm glad we're here. Wilson's Run, Trelawny, big love every time. Probably wondering how I heard about Wilson's Run. I have to big up Avri from the Urban's YouTube family. She reached out to me on IG and said, Romain, I would love for you and your team to go to this community. And this was the first time hearing about Wilson's Run. We're so happy that we took on the task to come here, and it's a joy to see smiles on the faces of the people, and big love.
And the subscriber that reached out to me to raise awareness about Wilson's Run, she keeps saying thank you to me, and for me it's nothing. All I did was just reach out. Romain is the one that deserves the thanks. So I don't know, good things happen when you try to do good things, and good things happen to good people. So I'm just really happy that that community was able to get the spotlight put on them in that aspect. So yeah, and in the rest of the video you're gonna see me try to make Jamaican food, try to make a Jamaican breakfast that I just started liking, never made before, and you gotta see how it actually turned out. So how ready are you for a Jamaican breakfast?
Say like a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, but it's not breakfast time, it's lunch time.
That's okay.
Yeah.
You do late things.
Jamaican brunch.
Are you gonna make plantain for me?
I'm not buying plantain.
So what are you gonna do the saltfish with?
You're such a good man sometimes.
Pull it into the car, please.
Okay. Woo! This is our second food bazaar in the last 24 hours, and it's gonna be an in and out quick grab and go situation. So see you guys back at home. Yeah, codfish bits.
This is
Codfish. Yeah, this is it. But it looks so different. This is the one. This is so big though. What am I gonna do with all of this? I guess I'm buying this. So we have one more thing to find, and if I cannot find this, this whole plan is corrupted, erupted, done, kapush. Kapush or capiche? Capiche. Yeah. We haven't found the ackee yet, and it's looking like the ackee doesn't exist in the store. So didn't come for this, but we're getting it. Guys, I found sorrel. I will only buy this if it doesn't have a lot of sugar. And this is how you should. The ackee, we found it. I heard canned ackee is terrible, but this one is supposed to be good, I think. So let's, yeah, it's the same.
this color.
Wait, that's I don't know how much.
$14.99.
Damn, it's big. I don't need that much ackee in my life. So I said I would get this if it doesn't have as much sugar. This has 35 grams. Oh, it's festival. We used to make these all the time. Since I got on my healthy journey, I had to let go of certain things, you know.
Corned beef.
Look, Simmons, this has 35 grams of sugar and 32 of them are added.
That's per serving. That's 4 servings in the container. That means there's 120.
4 times 35. Guys, if you are buying this, you should stop, because if you buy this and you wonder why you're gaining weight, this is the reason. Too much sugar. That's crazy. I would love to buy this, but this is just ridiculous. If you're also drinking supplement and you're gaining a little weight and you are wondering why, it's because it has, let's see, how much sugar? What is that? 35 grams of sugar. 1 can is 1 serving. Yeah, that's too much sugar for anybody to be taking in one sitting. This is 1 drink for the day. Imagine how many things you'll drink in a day that will have sugar in it. Grace Kennedy, we need to have a talk. How is this from Thailand? This is ridiculous. Product of Thailand. Isn't Grace a Jamaican company? Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, because I thought that this was a Jamaican company. Anyways, let's go. I could do this all day. So we're home. I just cut off a few pieces of this, put it in the pot. Simas opened the door because it smells terrible in here because of this. It smells like, I don't know, like stinky feet socks, like sweaty socks. That's what it smells like. But yeah, we're gonna boil this down. It's just salted cod, basically what it is. We're gonna boil this down, and you guys know, you'll see the rest of it. So I'm not doing the traditional ackee saltfish dumpling thing. I'm just doing it with this purple yam thing. I think this is purple yam. You guys let me know. I'm gonna ask my mom anyways. But I think this is purple yam, and I really like the taste of it. And these kind of carbs, they're really filling. So what it does is fill you up. You don't get hungry that fast, and it is just amazing. My God, I'm not gonna lie, I eat saltfish raw or cooked. Okay, so I'm at the point where I prepped up everything. Saltfish is boiled and separated. I chopped up my veggies that I'm gonna put on top. But you guys need to know that I can't add onions to this because somebody does not eat onions. And that is the reality of living with a man that is a fastidious eater. Like Simmons. Anyways, this is a point of the video where I'm gonna call my mom and ask for advice because, like I said, I've never made this before because I didn't like ackee. So let's call Georgia. She's gonna be so excited that I'm asking her for help.
Avri,
Hi.
you're frightening me. Everything all right?
Yes, Mama, relax. So I'm making another Jamaican dish this again. But today I'm gonna make ackee and saltfish with canned ackee.
Boil up some water and just set in a one dish and throw the boiling water over it.
Okay, so this is what the canned ackee looks like for those. Of course I did that. For those who do not know. And she told me to boil water and throw it on it. Alright, I'm gonna put the water on it now. Alright, so we're using some olive oil. God. Me never got one of them yet. Smells good already. Feel like down the yard for my Sunday morning. How long you make the vegetable then cook for before you put in your saltfish? Oh, okay. Maybe banana teeth. Dental insurance too expensive in America.
Everything. Oh, dental insurance. Every insurance. It's something like that in this place.
My vibes kind of ended like that. Life's kind of let's look at the life we live in.
It's not funny. It's not about the taste. But the taste nice.
Oh my God, Mommy, the smoked paprika gave it a really nice smoky taste. It tastes almost like when you roast breadfruit.
Oh yeah.
All right, time to put in the ackee. I can't believe I'm making ackee on saltfish at 30 years old for the first time. Who can talk to me now? If I grew to be 30 years old and didn't make ackee before, and I survived it, I got a college degree, I got a job, I got a husband, I think I'll be fine. I think, Mommy, you don't think I'll be fine too, no?
Yeah.
Learning how to cook is not the most important thing to be a woman. Like, and it's not like I can't cook anything else. I'm not, honestly, I never even did like ackee, you know that. Okay guys, this is the finished product and I must say that I am thoroughly impressed by the efforts of me and Georgia, okay? I don't know about the yams. Just mix together everything.
Okay.
I mean, it's good. It's good, right? It came out better than I expected.
Yeah, it's good.
Like, I didn't have any faith in the canned ackee.
I never had canned ackee before, so.
Even this, it mixes well together. Alone,
It doesn't have much flavor alone, so.
I'm making this every Sunday going forward. All right, so this is all that's left. And Simis said that he's just gonna finish it off today.
Me and you are gonna finish it.
I'm done. I'm not hungry anymore. I don't have a hole in my gut like you do.
Who's been on a food bender all
Yeah, because I had my full now. I fulfilled my food quest.
I know you're lying because you'll be hungry in like an hour.
Yeah. So this is it. It is so good. The man is going for seconds. And if there were thirds, he would be going for thirds.
Yeah, because you have to finish it. You can't leave food to waste.
And I guess the yam came out better than I imagined too because we mixed it together, right? We were eating it together.